Hello, in this video I will show you how to find the midpoint of a line using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is just an easy way to find the midpoint of a line. So the midpoint formula only works if you've got two different sets of coordinates, like these. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So whatever our x1 plus x2 divided by 2, whatever that value is, that will be representing our x side of a coordinate, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2, that will represent our y part of the coordinate. Now, pretty simple. So now we just have to give our x1, x2, y1, and y2, we need to give them numeric values. So in our coordinates, using our two coordinates, we can just name them. So we've got x1, y1, x2, y2. I'll go ahead and write them off to the side. So we've got x1 equals 6, x2 equals 2, y1 equals 4, and y2 equals 4. So now that we have our four values, we simply take these numbers and just plug it back into this equation. Now we'll create our parentheses, and these will be our coordinates. So we'll put over 2, because the only thing that is changing in the midpoint formula is the x1 plus x2 and y1 plus y2. So now we'll just plug it in. So what's our x1? That'll be 6, and what's our y2? That's x2. So that'll be 2. 6 plus 2. And next we have our y1 and y2, so that'll just be y1 is 4, y2 is 4, so 4 plus 4. Now we'll simplify this. We've got 8 over 2, comma 8 by 2. And now 8 by 2 is just 4, so our two values will be 4. So our final answer is 4, comma 4. That is our final answer. And that will be the midpoint of our line. Now let's move on to number 2. We have two different coordinates once again, but these coordinates are slightly more complex. We've got 10, 2 and negative 6, 4. I'll go ahead and just draw these. I'll make a small line. You've got 10, 2, so this will be our point for 10, 2, and then our next point will be negative 6, 4. So that'll be about here. Connect these, so negative 6, 4. Those will be our two lines. Now we have to find the midpoint, which will be somewhere here. That'll be our midpoint. Now, we'll just simply give each number its x1, x2, or y1 or y2. So we've just got x1 equals 10. Our x2 is equal to negative 6. We've got y1 is equal to 2, and y2, which is equal to 4. Now just plug it in. We'll create our coordinates and put them over 2. So now x1 plus x2. So we've got x1. x2 is negative 6, so we'll just do 10 minus 6. And we've got our y1 plus y2, so 2 plus 4. And now 10 minus 6 is 4, so 4 over 2, comma 2 plus 4 is 6, so 6 over 2, and parentheses. So now we've just got to simplify this, so it's just going to be 2, comma 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2, comma 3, and that will be our midpoint of our line here. So this is 2, comma 3. That will be our final answer. Thank you. Be sure to like and subscribe this video, and be sure to watch out for more videos in the future.